Something strange happened to me recently. A few months ago, I received a bonus at work. Most people would feel excited in that moment. But my first thought was not excitement. My first thought was fear. I immediately wondered, what if I lose my job next month? Instead of celebrating, I moved the money into savings and started imagining worst-case scenarios. The strange part was that nothing in my life was actually unstable. My job was secure, and my finances were fine. But my brain was already preparing for disaster. That moment made me realize something important. I wasn't really managing money. I was managing fear. And a lot of people do the same thing without even noticing it. We treat money like it's always about to disappear. Even when our situation is stable, our mind behaves as if everything could collapse tomorrow. This mindset is called scarcity thinking. It doesn't always depend on how much money you actually have. You can have a good income, savings, and even investments, yet still feel like you're constantly one mistake away from losing everything. Most of these patterns begin early in life. Maybe you grew up hearing adults worry about bills. Maybe you heard the phrase, "We can't afford that," many times. Over time, your brain learns to treat money like something fragile. Psychologists call this loss aversion. Our brains feel the pain of losing money much more strongly than the joy of gaining it. Because of this, many people make financial decisions based on fear instead of logic. They avoid investing because losing feels risky. They stay in underpaid jobs because change feels uncertain. They avoid learning new skills because spending money feels dangerous. But doing nothing often keeps people stuck. For me, the shift happened when I started asking a different question. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" I started asking, "What am I actually afraid of?" Most of the time, the fear wasn't really about money. It was about control and safety. Once I saw that clearly, my decisions slowly changed. I stopped treating money like a shield and started seeing it as a tool. Sometimes spending money responsibly can improve your future instead of damaging it. Scarcity mindset doesn't protect you. It only keeps your life smaller than it needs to be. And once you recognize that pattern, you can finally start making decisions from clarity instead of fear. Financial freedom isn't motivation, it's structure. If you're ready to see how the system truly works, follow for real strategy.